Okay, so I received a question about NTI Day 3, and on Delta Math, that is all about solving a system of equations by substitution. So there are 3 levels, and I'm going to do an example problem from every level. So if you click on Substitution Level 1, you're going to get something that looks like this. Y is equal to 2 different things. All you're going to have to do there, because these y's are the same thing, so you're going to set these equations equal to each other because they both equal y. So since they equal the same thing, you can set them equal to each other. So I'm going to have 2x equals 10x minus 16. Okay, I want to subtract 10x from both sides, 10x from both sides. 2x minus 10x is negative 8x equals negative 16. Okay, because those negative 10s cancel out, or 10 minus 10 cancels out. Now I've got to get x by itself, so I want to divide by negative 8 on both sides. This leaves me with x is equal to negative 16 divided by negative 8 is positive 2. So now I know my x value. But if you look at your answer on Delta Math, it has to be a point, right? It has to be some type of point where I have an x and a y, just like that. So I have my x, so then once you have x, you're going to pick one of these equations to plug x into. You're substituting x back in. That's why it's called, one of the reasons it's called substitution. So I'm going to pick this top one because it's shorter, it's easier. So if I bring that down here, now I have y equals 2x. I know x is 2, so y equals 2 times 2, and y equals 4. So my final answer is going to be 2, 4. Just like that. That's what I would type in Delta Math, and that would be your answer. So review really quick. Step 1, you set your equations equal to each other because they're both equal to y. So since they equal the same thing, you set them equal to each other. You solve for x, and then you substitute that x back into one of the original equations to find y. And your value for x and your value for y are your answers. All right, there we go.